Musk recently sent a stark warning to one of the richest men in the planet regarding Tesla's stock. In a tweet sent last week, Musk said that Microsoft billionaire Bill Gates had bet as much as $500 billion that the company's value would fall. In a text exchange that was revealed to the public and verified by Musk, Gates said that he was still shorting the stock and that he wanted to talk to Musk about philanthropy. However, Musk vehemently rejected the request. According to Bill Gates, shorting Tesla does not entail betting against the environment or electric vehicles. Bill Gates retorted that such a stance is just an investment and not a rejection of tackling climate change. Musk appears to believe otherwise, and many have interpreted this as a warning that betting against Tesla is a wager against a green future rather than just stock market games. Why does Musk believe this? Keep watching to discover out. Due to their tremendous wealth, Musk and Gates have had a contentious relationship in the past, with Musk frequently insulting Gates on Twitter. The two men's arguments and insults have garnered a lot of attention. Elon Musk is the richest person on the planet, surpassing even Bill Gates. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Musk surpassed Gates to become the second richest person in the world in 2020, and later overtook Amazon founder Jeff Bezos to become the richest person on Earth. Bill Gates is ranked fourth, and although he's pledged to give away the majority of his wealth during his lifetime, he says he admires Musk but doubts his company's valuation can continue to rise as the world shifts to electric vehicles. In a 2020 video, Gates expressed concern about the range and high cost of Tesla automobiles. In a recent tweet during Musk's takeover of Twitter, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX posted a picture of Gates beside an emoji of a pregnant guy with the message, "In case you need to lose a bona fide." Musk replied, saying that his dealings with the former Microsoft CEO had not been satisfying. Quickly, in July 2020, later that year, in response to Gates' remarks about Musk's lack of vaccination knowledge in a New York Times podcast, Musk called Gates a knucklehead. Gates had earlier suggested on CNBC's Squawk that Musk should stop making contentious remarks about vaccines and instead concentrate on electric cars and rockets. Musk has also criticized Gates' vaccination advocacy on Twitter. The animosity between the two has appeared to rise after Musk accused Gates of taking a huge stake against his company in the next exchange. Musk allegedly remarked, "Sorry, but I can't take your climate philanthropy seriously when you have a big short position on Tesla, the company doing the most solve climate change." However, Gates told the BBC that his wager against Tesla had nothing to do with his support for the pro-environmental projects or government policy. In an interview, Gates stated that this has nothing to do with global warming. "I have means of diversifying," he explained further, saying as electric cars become more popular, there will be more rivalry for their sale. So there's a difference between corporations becoming infinitely valuable and electric automobiles becoming adopted. This is interesting because Gates seems to have ignored that Tesla is not just an electric car company. Several investors have deemed it a green energy onshore infrastructure company, which pokes some holes in Gates' narrative. Even if considered just an electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla has invested heavily in achieving its objectives and demonstrating that so much previously deemed impossible can now be accomplished at the very least. Tesla has sparked interest among several automakers to enter the electric car business and make the shift, which can only benefit the environment. Musk is upset about how Gates has invested in Tesla because stocks essentially work while waiting to drop in value to buy more rather than waiting for it to rise and take profit. The process comprises taking out a loan on the stock, selling it at the going rate, and then buying it back from the lender when its value decreases. This allows the lender to benefit legally from the difference between the purchase price and the sale price. Gates' actions suggest that he anticipates financial loss for the company. Although Tesla is one of the most valuable firms in the world with shares valued at over $950 per share, Gates thinks that more competition in this industry might drastically reduce Tesla's value. Gates, who has committed billions of dollars to addressing climate change, has said that curing polio and malaria is his dream rather than sending people into space, seemingly alluding to Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic and Elon Musk's SpaceX projects. He added that he made an effort to convince other billionaires to increase their donations to charity in terms of his philanthropic objectives. Musk doesn't seem to agree with Gates when he says, "I'm going to encourage others who have been extraordinarily successful like me to give back to the proper causes." Elon Musk and Bill Gates are two of the most well-known technical tycoons in the world. They have even challenged each other for the title of the world's richest man in Forbes magazine publications. Based on what we understand, Musk is telling Gates to put his money where his mouth is, saying that one can't claim to be worried about climate change, then bet heavily against the stocks of one of the companies trying hard to make a difference in this endeavor. Despite their current differences, they care about those who are unwell or lack access to technology, and they want to change the course of the world's future. They have also shown interest in international affairs, but they pursue it independently since their real relationships have broken. The world's richest man, Elon Musk, and the founder of Microsoft have a falling out. Musk also insulted a picture of Bill Gates by combining it with an emoji of a pregnant man, implying that the founder of Microsoft is pregnant, and added a message that received 1.4 million likes and 144 zero retweets. The picture gained popularity on social media when Elon Musk made a $44 billion bid to purchase Twitter. Bill Gates issued a warning saying the CEO of Tesla might worsen the social media firm. Concerns regarding the spread of false information on social media sites are also highlighted by Gates, who stated that it is unclear how Musk alter Twitter if he gains control. Speaking at the Wall Street Journal CEO Summit on Wednesday, Elon Musk, the co-founder of Microsoft, said that his tenure as CEO of Tesla and SpaceX was mind-blowing and that his track record at previous firms is fantastic. Gates said that Musk had done a fantastic job at those organizations, putting together a strong team of engineers. Gates, who recently overtook Musk as the richest person in the world, questioned Musk's motivation behind using Twitter and whether his efforts to support free speech were reasonable. He believes that social media platform operators have a responsibility to ensure that the truth is accurately disseminated and that it is dangerous when people rely too heavily on the main tool used to save lives. Bill Gates is worth $500 million. Elon Musk's short bets on Tesla are detrimental because big short sales by well-known individuals like Bill Gates will surely cause market panic and lower stock prices later. Musk may have believed that Gates was shorting Tesla shares to gain control over him. So he took action, but history shows that it may not be a smart idea to bet against Elon Musk, even though Volkswagen and Toyota make far more money and sell far more cars. With a market capitalization of $941 billion. Tesla has a market capitalization more than 3 times that of Toyota, which is estimated to be worth about $236 billion. Experts state that Tesla's ongoing work on the robotaxi project is in line with the business's environmental and sustainability objectives. Changing people's perceptions of automobile ownership has always been Tesla's aim for the robotaxi fleet. In the end, Tesla owners will be able to leave their cars alone for the duration of a ride-hailing shift, enabling a 40,000 side business to earn additional less basic pay while they slept. When taken in a far broader sense than any of us can imagine, robotaxis will only help Tesla maintain its reputation as the most efficient electric vehicle manufacturer on the market, as constant innovation is Tesla's mode of transportation. Guys, where you believe it's not entirely the best company to bet against. What do you think of Gates shorting Tesla stock? Please, as handling acceleration and top speed become less important. It's likewise reasonable to believe that our high mileage products like our forthcoming Tesla robotaxis will be engineered for optimal energy efficiency.